Hello and welcome to TeqGadgets. In this episode, I'll talk about what happened to my channel in 2017 and my plans for 2018. This is not a review or a tech talk, but sort of looking back because a lot of things did not go well in 2017, but I believe I have better plans for the channel this year. If you are new here, please go ahead and subscribe to my channel, share the videos with friends, and don't forget to tell us what you think. About 4 months ago, I started this channel because I always had something to say about technology and tech gadgets in general. So I posted 2 videos, but I was not happy with how I sounded. Both videos got around 300 views, but kinda motivates me because the quality sucks. So what happened? I kinda got lazy. I did not have any energy to continue. I always have very busy days with office stuff, but this should not be my excuse from today. In 2017, I honestly think I did not do enough to guarantee any success, which explains the 2 videos in 4 months. I have contemplated deleting the videos, but decided to keep them because I think it should remind me to do a better job on all my upcoming videos. By the way, I may do a part 2 of my second video. I think there are many solutions available for both Android and iOS. It will be fun to explore the most popular solutions out there. I will regularly create content to keep all viewers informed. This will not be easy, but should keep me motivated. I know I suck at this, but this time I will encourage you more, whether through Twitter, Instagram, or replying to your comments. Currently, I'm not an expert in photography or video production, but I surely know what looks good and what does not, so I'm constantly working on my skills. My only goal in 2018 is to make at least 50 videos and maybe get a few subscribers, which brings me to the title of this video. So you know what to do. If you're watching, please go ahead and subscribe. I will generally be creating content about gadget reviews, unboxings, comparisons, performance testings, and many more categories as we move on. Let me know what you think about this video. Please come back for the next episode, and thank you for watching.